How to forward WhatsApp message to another number. So first of all, open your WhatsApp, then open the chat that you want to forward the message from. So in here, you can see I have opened a chat from where I want to forward this particular message. So what you're going to do is simply long press on this message just like this. Then you can see forward option, tap on it. And then in here, if you want to forward further more messages, for example, this PDF or this link, then you can select them. For now, I'm not going to do that. Simply tap on this icon right here. Then you'll have to now search for the number. Simply tap on the search bar right here, then start typing the number or search for the contact. For now, I'm going to search for the contact just like this, and this is the particular person I want to forward to. Tap on it, and then all you need to do is tap on forward. And just like this, here you can see my message has successfully been forwarded in WhatsApp. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.